Hi guys! Happy Sunday! Papunta kami sa bahay ng mama ni Dan. Meron kaming family dinner. We're just sorting out yung pasalubong namin sa kanyang pamilya. Kasi kakatapos ko lang mag-haul, guys. So, for your mom, tiramisu, honey butter.
Well, we get honey butter as well.
And we're off to mom's. Nagbihis ako guys kasi umuulan tapos malamig. May pa summer dress pa ako kanina. Sa loob ng bahay okay lang. Paglabas, sabi ni Dan, let's bring a jumper. Ayan, ka-jacket na kami. Suot-suot ko yung bag na nabili ko sa Korea weekend. Ang cute. Ang cute nito. Maliit. And dala-dala namin yung pasalubong namin sa kanila. It's here. Mga hand cream, mga almonds. May dala-dala din kaming chair. Kasi marami tayo ngayon. Kasama yung pamilya ni Pete. So yes, we will just have late lunch, no?
Yeah, well, lunch.
Dinner?
I think lunch will be done around 2:30.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wala naman talaga sana akong plano mag-haul kanina. Sabi ni Dan, ibibigay na daw namin yung pasalubong. So sabi ko, alam mo, gigising ako ng maaga, tapos mag-haul ako. Like, might as well. Kasi naka-makeup na din naman. Alam mo yun. Kasi bukas hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin namin. Baka sa bahay lang kami. Yung suot ko na lipstick ngayon, sinuot ko ulit yung gustong-gusto ko. Yung Stila na Stay All Day ata ba yun? Stay All Day matte lipstick ba yun? Basta yung liquid lipstick nila na shade Firenze. Gusto ko siya, guys. Ay. You okay, babe?
Yeah, I'm good.
Sobrang nagmamadali ako. Kasi alam ko si Dan naghihintay lang doon. Nag-chill lang siya doon sa lounge.
Later.
Say subscribe. Say subscribe. Hey, Pump.
Okay, what's this? Wasabi almonds?
Wasabi.
Wasabi.
Do you know what wasabi is?
Oh, yeah, I love wasabi.
Do you really?
Yeah, because
The spice?
it's hot. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Have you done wasabi
This is
on
not like too spicy. This is not like the...
tiramisu flavored
Yeah.
almonds? Oh, yum. Beautiful. Oh. Thank
Just-
you.
That's your hand cream.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Not what he said.
What did he say?
You beat that out when you're do this.
Lovely.
Another hand cream.
Just hand cream.
Beautiful.
That's all.
That's all.
Say subscribe.
Thank you.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe. Good. I don't want to waste it.
You make.
Lasagna.
Oh my God! You're.
Sorry.
What? Oh, is that? We'll put this on the other plate. The
That'd be better. Put that to this
That's the meaty one?
that's the meaty one.
Okay.
We'll just have one piece for that.
Yeah, and
It's the vegetarian
You guys
one.
can have two
We'll have that one piece tonight.
tonight.
Yeah, we'll
What are you
For
guys doing
dinner.
tomorrow?
Papa cook.
Several days later.
Good morning!
Good morning.
Today is...
Friday.
Happy Friday, guys.
Happy Friday.
We're out and about really early in the morning. It's now mga 7.
Really early?
Yeah.
Not really early.
It's not even 8 yet. What time is it?
7:59.
Okay, yeah. Not even 8.
Mm.
Pupunta kami Woolies. May pinuntahan lang kami kanina. Tapos ngayon pupunta kami ng Woolies to get some stuff for dinner tonight. And then Dan will go to work. And then, yeah.
Mm. That is all.
How's your shopping?
Fantastic.
We will have omelette tonight kasi, guys. So, yan lang. What else? Siya daw gagawa, Good job. Sige nga. You're slow. Sige, babe. Quick haul! Saglit na to, guys. Mag-o-omelette lang kami mamayang gabi. We have eggs. And then yung gustong ilagay ni Dad sa omelette niya, capsicum, onions. Meron naman kami onions, dinagdagan ko lang. Ano pala yun? Mushroom, capsicum. And then, tomato. Meron kaming garlic kasi naubusan kami ng garlic. And then we got bacon for the omelette. And we have avocado. What's the avocado for?
Eggs on avocado toast.
Okay. And I got watermelon kasi napaka-red ng watermelon, guys. Look how red that is. Smells really good. That's it. Yun lang. Kasi Friday na ngayon. Tapos bukas, manonood kami ni Dan ng sine. And hindi ako magpa-vlog bukas because I'm gonna take a rest. rest. Is that right, Malam?
Sorry?
Magpapahinga ako, guys. So, wala munang vlog for hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal. Pero,
Rez, you're retiring.
I'm retiring, people.
Retiring. For a week.
Joke lang. I'm not sure. Are you sure it's gonna be a week?
We'll start filming on Friday next week.
Yeah.
Because Sissy's on a Saturday, so you'll
Oh yeah, so there's so many exciting videos coming because Sissy's gonna be here soon, very soon. Hindi ko lang sure. Yeah, siguro a week or maybe just a...
No, a week. You'll start filming again on Friday.
Yeah, a week or maybe less than a week. I'm not sure. Pero I do this every year for the past like 2 years now. So last year, bigla na lang akong nawala when we went to Thailand. I didn't even say like goodbye. Bigla na lang ako nawala kasi hindi ko siya naplano. Like, sobrang daming nangyayari nun. So, nung napunta kami ng Thailand and I took that break. A year before that, I took a week break as well. So, parang leave ba? Hindi ko na sana siya i-film. I was not gonna film it. And sabi ko, baka mag-alala yung iba. Hindi naman lahat nag-aalala, pero baka mag-alala yung iba. Kasi last year when, ako, nag-break nga ako, ang daming nag-message sa akin kung okay lang ako. Kasi parang, it's very unusual for me not to upload, like, you know, like almost every day.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been uploading every day for the past, I don't even know, 6-7 months? Medyo hindi siya like naging everyday nung nagpunta tayo ng Korea. Tapos just before Korea when something happened to that one video. But that's pretty much it. Like, yeah, aside from that, everyday talaga siya. So just in case mag-alala kayo. Pero magpapahinga lang ako. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just gonna take this break, guys. I hope it's okay.
So what date will you be back?
I'm not sure.
What
I'm not
date
sure
is Sissy
yet.
coming here?
Sissy will be here
Today's
next
the 11th,
weekend.
isn't it? So
yeah,
I reckon you'll be back on the 18th. 18th of October.
we'll see.
We'll see.
Don't say any dates because
18th, lock it in your calendar.
Uy, hindi tayo sure dun. Pero yeah, babalik naman ako. Kailangan ko lang mapahinga. That's the reason why we got heaps of puzzles. Pero alam nyo ba, isa na lang yung hindi ko na. I've been doing it. So, nung naano namin yung dalawang binili namin sa Korea, wala na, natapos ko na agad-agad. Tapos yung popcorn ko, natapos ko din. And then now, I'm working on yung mga building ba yun? Yung mga bahay-bahay. And malapit na siya matapos. I'll show you guys. Naubusan ako ng puzzle. Meron pa akong ilang araw na break. Ito, natapos ko na siya. Ito yung malaki, 1,000 pieces na, ano to? Popcorn. Tingnan nyo. Ganito yung itsura niya. Yan. Ganyan siya. Taday! Ito, gagawin ko din to. And that's why as well, bumili ako nung pang drawing dun sa Korea. Kasi nga, parang plinano na namin to ni Dan. Sobrang tagal na sinasabi sa akin ni Dan, o kailan na yung break mo? And I don't wanna do it later than this because meron namang vlogmas, diba? And vlogmas, alam nyo na everyday. After the break, ang dami ng ganap, guys. So, yeah. Ito naman yung isang puzzle. Yan. Ito naman yung binili natin sa Kmart. Yan yung itsura niya. And sobrang kunti na lang. Kahapon ako nag-start dito. Tapos, yan na. Kahapon ng umaga ako nag-start.
Yesterday.
And hindi pa yan full on ha, like hindi pa siya full on kasi I was editing videos naman this past few days. Magsa-start yung break ko talaga bukas. Kasi ngayon, I'm vlogging, tapos I'm gonna edit this video right now, and you will see this video tonight. Yeah, so, real time itong video na to. Kasi nga, hindi ko sana talaga, i-vlog. Kasi parang sabi ko, parang, like, hindi naman siguro, like, big deal. Parang iniisip ko ba, maintindihan niya ng mga tao. Pero sabi ni Dan, lang, just in case mag-alala daw kayo. So, yeah. Pero, lang naman, uy.
So say goodbye.
Yeah.
See you next week.
See you next week, guys. Are you leaving na?
I'm leaving.
Okay. Unbox natin to, guys. Ito yung pinick up namin sa PO Box kanina sa click.
Okay.
Love you.
Thank you. Alright. Bye guys. Off to work.
Bye.
I'll be right.
Okay. Love you, bye. Very good siya. Nag-ano siya ng tea. Lash and Brow Home Spa Mascara. Galing ba ito kay Charis? Yeah, galing siya kay Charis. Long-lasting curl without damage by drying and holding the mascara with warm air. Apply mascara to entire eyelashes on one eye first. Make a curl shape when mascara is moist. So, ganyan siya, guys. Lash and Brow Home Spa Mascara. So, it's kind of like a set. Magic Lash. Professional styling and home care device for your eyelashes and brows. Ooh! Meron pala tayong mga mask galing Yes Style, guys. And meron naman akong pag-giveaway nito. 2 sets ata. I-clear ko lang siya ha kay Yes Style. Hinintay ko lang na mag-reply siya. Gusto ko lang tong i-feature before ako mag-leave. Char na talaga sa leave. Pero meron na silang pagganap ngayon. Like, meron silang mask set na curated sa different skin troubles. Like, merong iba-iba siya na mask set. Merong variety. Right there. Merong trouble for like troubled skin. And merong moisture for like dry skin. So, meron sila iba-iba. And inside are 7 mask. So, merong 7 mask. Depende again sa skin type mo. And you can use it every day or every night for like 7 days. Depende sa mask set na pipiliin nyo. Targeted siya. Specific na like sitwasyon ng inyong skin. So if you're experiencing dry skin, you can choose the moisture mask set and you can use it every day. Hindi ko pa siya nagamit, pero itatry ko yung moisture kasi medyo nagda-dry yung skin ko. Napapansin ko, kailangan ko palitan, kailangan kong bumalik dun sa Olay ko kasi nagda-dry yung skin ko. Maybe because nagpaiba-iba na din yung weather, hindi ko alam. Uy, tapos meron akong malaking pimple dito. Sobrang laki talaga. Meron akong pag-giveaway nito. Ipopost ko siya sa Instagram ha. So please follow me in Instagram. Kasi yung giveaway ng Advent Calendar, ano pa din siya, it's still open. So pwede pa din kayong maka-join kung nasa countries kayo na eligible na mag-join. Unfortunately, wala siya sa Pilipinas. So, pasensya na guys. Hindi ko naman mapipilit kung ayaw ng Yes Style na isend sa Pilipinas yung giveaway price, diba? Hindi naman kasi ako yung magsisend ng premyo. Pero meron akong pinaplanong giveaway para sa mga Philippines residents only. So, meron tayong pamaskong ganap sa inyo guys. I-edit ko na tong video na to. Again, I will be back! And thank you so much guys for always watching. And sobrang thank you sa mga walang sawang nagko-comment. Sinasabi na I make your day, na everyday na inaabangan nyo talaga yung everyday videos ko. Pasensya na kung wala mo ng videos for the next maybe week. Pero babalik tayo, magpapahinga lang ako. Kailangan ko ng aking beauty rest. Kailangan ko lang talaga magpahinga kasi non-stop talaga lately. Pasensya na kung this video is short. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys. No more bukas. Hindi na bukas. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye guys. Be good. Mwah.